So let us understand illustration 54. ABC are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 12 is to 8 is to 5. Partner C is guaranteed a minimum profit of rupees 50,000 per month by the per annum 50,000 per annum by the firm. The profits and losses for the year ended 31st March were 2018, that is for 2018 profit of rupees 2 lakhs, for 2019 profits of rupees 3 lakh, and for 2020 loss of rupees 2 lakh. You are required to pass necessary journal entries in the books of the firm. So here in this question there are profits and losses given for 3 years, and partner C is being guaranteed 50,000 per annum minimum profit by the firm. So you are required to pass journal entry. Therefore, before that we shall do certain calculations in working note. For each year, guaranteed profit to C is 50,000, 50,000, and 50,000. For 31st March 2018, guaranteed profit of C is 50,000, and C's actual for 2018. Let us consider 2018 first. C's actual share of profit as per profit and loss, as per profit sharing ratio 12 is to 8 is to 5. In 2018, a profit of 2 lakh was earned. So out of 2 lakhs, 5 by 25 is the share of C. So C will get 2 lakh into 5 by 25, and that is 40,000. 2 lakh into 5 by 25, and that comes 40,000. So 50,000 is the guaranteed amount, and 50,000 is the guaranteed amount, and C is actually getting 40,000. So 10,000 is deficiency, and partner C is since guaranteed 50,000, therefore 40,000 he will get out of profits as a profit share, and remaining 10,000 will be shared by A and B in the agreed ratio, and since no agreed ratio is there, therefore this 10,000 will be shared by A and B in the PSR, and that is 12 is to 8. So let us first handle this year and pass necessary journal entry for this current year. For as on March 31st 2018, this 2 lakh will be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account. Now if you prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, then what do is that first we transfer this 2 lakh to all the partners in their PSR, and after that we adjust the deficiency. So this 2 lakh will be shared between A, B, C in their PSR. A will get 2 lakh into 12 by 25. B will get 2 lakh into 8 by 25, and C will get 2 lakh into 5 by 25. In this manner, C will get only 40,000 as a share of profit, and A and B will get 96,000 and 64,000 as share of profit. But since C should receive 10,000 from A and B, so 10,000 is the deficiency will be borne by A in the profit sharing ratio, that is 12 is to 8, that is 12 by 20. So A will give 10,000 into 12 by 20, that is 6,000 to C out of his own share. So out of the share of profit that A has got, 10,000 into 12 by 20 is getting deducted. that comes to 6,000, and this 6,000 is added to C's capital. Similarly, normally B is getting 2 lakh into 8 by 25, that is 64,000. But since he is to give guaranteed amount to C also, therefore his profit share will get deducted by 10,000 into 8 by 20, that is 4,000. 10,000 was the deficiency, and 8 by 20, since 12 is to 8 was the share ratio in which they were to share the deficiency. Therefore 10,000 into 8 by 20 will be deducted, that is 4,000 will be deducted from B's capital. So 64,000 minus 4,000, and this 4,000 will be added to C's capital. In this way, the A's net increase in capital is 90,000, and B's increase in capital will be of 60,000, that is 64,000 minus 4,000. A's will be 96,000 minus 6,000, 90,000, and B's will be 64,000 minus 4,000, and C will get a total of 50,000. In this solution, actually you may prepare PL appropriation account, and the final amount, the entry has been passed with the final amount. Alternatively, you can do you can make three entries. First is of transfer, and second is the appropriation of this 2 lakh in PSR. Normally, first make an entry, second entry will pass for transferring this 2 lakh to ABC in 12 is to 8 is to 5 normally, and then you do the capital adjustment, third entry, that is guaranteeing partner's capital account debit to guaranteed partner. So the third entry will in that case be A's capital account debit 6,000, B's capital account debit 4,000, to C's capital account 10,000. Alternatively, you can pass three entry also, but here in this question only two entries have been passed, so don't get confused with that. In 2019, what happened is that the firm earned a profit of 3 lakhs, and out of 3 lakhs, C is guaranteed 50,000. And if we calculate the share of C normally out of 3 lakhs, then 3 lakhs into 5 by 25, that is 60,000 is the result. So C is guaranteed 50,000 and he is getting normally 60,000. Therefore, he will get 60,000. The guaranteed amount has no implication in this case. So in this case, there is no question of compensating one partner, that is C, by other partners, that is A and B. So in this case, we straightforward transfer the whole profit of 3 lakhs in the agreed PSR. The entry will be in 2019 PL appropriation, PL account debit to PL appropriation account for transferring of profit 3 lakhs, and then normally 3 lakhs will be transferred to ABC in their PSR. Profit and loss appropriation account debit 3 lakh to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account in the PSR. Since C is getting here 60,000, his capital account is debited, created by 60,000, so he is getting more than the guaranteed amount. Therefore, he will get the amount which he deserves. In third case, the firm has earned a loss of rupees 2 lakhs. In 2020, firm has earned a loss of 2 lakhs, but C is guaranteed 50,000 as share of profit. But if this loss is transferred, initially this loss will be transferred to all the partners, and C's share of loss will be 40,000. 2 lakh into 5 by 25. 40,000 will be the loss of C. But since he is to get a profit of 50,000, therefore this loss will be compensated by A and B, as well as again 50,000 will also be given to C by A and B. So a total of 90,000 is the deficiency. 50,000 plus 40,000. First, C will be compensated for the loss and then the guaranteed profit. So 40,000 plus 50,000, 90,000 will be paid by A and B in their PSR 12:8. So in this case, first of all, we shall transfer the loss to all the partners. In this case, there is no need of preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, because I told you that in case of loss, we directly transfer the loss from PL account only. So A is capital account, B is capital account, C is capital account debit to profit and loss account, not profit and loss appropriation account, profit and loss account. The loss is getting transferred. In this case, C is getting a loss of 40,000. Now he must get an amount of 90,000 in order to make in order to get the guaranteed amount. So 90,000, if his capital account is created by 90,000, then only this 40,000 will be netted off with this 90,000 in order to make a net credit of 50,000 in C's capital. So 90,000 he must get, and this 90,000 will be shared by A and B in the PSR, that is 12:8, that is 3:2. And A's capital will be debited by 54,000 and B's capital will be debited by 36,000 and C's capital will be credited by 90,000. So that's all for this kind of exam problem, where you can pass necessary journal entries and you are asked to pass only journal entries. You may prepare, in this case, PL appropriation. In the first case, you may prepare PL appropriation account as a working note in order to handle this situation comfortably. Thank you.